Yan talaga. Oh, man. Ang mga Pilipino talaga. Anong kadahilanan to, mga condigers? Anong kadahilanan to, mga condigers? Bakit nawala ang... Bakit naglindol?
So there you have it from the governor of Hawaii. This is expected to have some pretty significant impacts. There's a tsunami wave that's moving across the Pacific right now. If you're just joining us,
Oh, man.
people, okay, I'm not saying that there's a 100-foot tall wave that's just going to end everybody's life or something like that. But we need to get inland. Okay, this is going to be an impactful tsunami. There was an 8.8 magnitude earthquake.
Hala!
Off of the east coast of
Narinig niyo ba yung mga kandingers? 8.8
something like that.
magnitude na lindol.
The earthquake happened up here, right off the coast of Kamchatka. And let me adjust this so I can get it off of the lower third there. Okay, so here's where the earthquake was, and here is Hawaii. Let's see how far it is from one spot to another. I mean, it's over 3,000 miles away. But here's the deal. The wave moves pretty fast, so it is on the way. I believe it's through the Aleutian Islands right now. Moved through over the last couple of hours. You may still have some impacts going on up here. But man, I mean, I think the important thing to look at also is the exact direction that it's coming from.
Ayan.
So, let me
Nakikita niyo ba yan, mga kondingers?